guys, welcome to my first YouTube tutorial. So the guide for this picture, you can see it in the corner, it's my old painting I did a year ago, and so I decided to redo it just to see how much I improved. So here I'm just sketching, and then I'm going to put a base color, a gray base color all over the whole sketch. And I also use color palettes on the side. It helps me to see exactly the colors I'm trying to achieve, and plus I don't have to constantly pick new color. I just dip into the color palette right there in the corner and use those colors. Makes it easier for me. It's just my preference. So I start by putting a base color for the skin, and then I add highlights and lowlights, and then just keep adding and blending. And the eyes, I like to make them pretty dark, like the eyelids. I feel like it helps the eyes to pop in a way. And so, plus I like the lower eyebrow look. It makes it look more serious. I don't know. Lately I've been a lot into like serious. Maybe midlife crisis, I don't know. Anyways, and of course if you make nose and ears and cheeks, there's more pink or red to it. And I like it especially on the nose, because I feel like it just gives a youthful appearance, in my opinion. I don't know, I just like nose to be redder than the rest of the skin color. So now you see I added some birthmarks or freckles, however you want to call them. I feel like it's such an important step. That's what makes the skin look more realistic and less perfect, because no one's skin is perfect. So yeah, that little step just adds, it's like a little cherry on top. And I love freckles, so most of my paintings, all of the girls have freckles. I don't know, it just makes me happy. Then you see me doing hair, and so I start by outlining the outside portion of the hair, and then I fill it in with a darker color, and on top I start putting highlights. And just go pick a section of the hair and work on it, and then do the same thing on the other side. Put highlights on. So this is my second layer on the hair, and then I'm going to do third layer to highlight it even more, and also bottom layer I'm doing shadows. And you can just add shadows until you feel like it gives enough depth, because I mean that's what shadows do for you, especially for the hair. And then you see I'm putting some highlights. I didn't really do much of an individual highlight. I kind of just did a massive highlight in the areas that I felt like needed to pop a little bit. And I'm just working on the headband, which is super fast. I didn't put much thought into that. And yeah, and then I'm gonna start working on the shirt, and also just, it's simple, just striped shirt, and then I put shadows outside, on the arms and on the side of the body. And then I just add more shadow and highlight for the neck and the face to make it more three-dimensional. The last part, glasses, which is pretty self-explanatory, and that will be pretty much it. I just adjusted a little bit of color in the end to make it just a tiny bit darker, so it would pop. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials. Talk to you later. Bye.